This 2017 Cruiser RV MPG 2400BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Cruiser RV is 29 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, slide-out, microwave, stovetop burner, awning, self-contained, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Cruiser RV MPG 2400BH is 5,005 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.